Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. I hope you're well. In today's video, we give you a couple of tips on Pinterest affiliate marketing on for this year. And starting first of all, as you know, this is my latest blog post. First of all, one I did for Tailwind. I will give you a couple of tips on, for example, you're not supposed to register for every affiliate marketing product. If you think by register for every affiliate marketing product is going to make your reads that is wrong. So you need to have a strategy on how to choose the right product that you use, product that you love, product that you know that will help people and that will solve a problem, and not just write reviews, for instance, for those who write reviews, or put links on your pins, just, circulate them around. Let's start first of all. If you write blog posts, because one of the strategies would be for you to write blog post reviews, maybe for beginners, maybe for advanced, depends on the product. This is one strategy. You need to write blog posts, and you need to write blog posts that convert. I have a free ebook. I will put the link below for you to read it. It's free. A lot of people has downloaded, over 1,000 people, and you need to get it too. When you write a blog post, you need to make sure, second thing is at least to have an affiliate disclosure. You need to be you need to be legal. Even if you have links to your blog post or not, make sure you have a disclosure. It's important because running a blog is a business, and there are rules that you need to follow, because your post, your blog can be just banned for Google, can be banned for other platforms, for Pinterest, etc. There are rules, and you have to follow the rules. Number two is choosing the right product. As I say, find the right product. If, for example, you're choosing a product that will pay you $9 or $10 or $11 per sale, then you need to think how many of those you need to sell in order to make $500 or $1,000. And there are other terms and conditions you need to be aware of. So, rule number three, just put links of the products all over to your post. Try also to give graphic designs that will help people, that make them understand what is your post about, and help them, solve the problem. Like, for example, this is from Tailwind in relation to the ghostwriting tool that is helping people to write blog posts faster. So there's a lot of example I give to this blog post, and you need to make sure that your reviews are converting. So those are other things, strategies that you need to learn how to do it, because you need to make sure that you're helping people to solve the problems. Then make sure when you are choosing an affiliate marketing product, the terms and conditions, and also how you can promote the products, because there are policies that don't allow people, for instance, for courses, to give the product for courses. So there are policies on companies, so make sure that you read the policy before, especially for those who pay a lot. There are a lot of terms and conditions that you need to read. Then what I suggest is, for those strategies that I follow, we say the price, we say the product, but also you need to have a strategy of where to promote on Pinterest and how to find those audience that they will, trust you and get the product. And then you need to think also, obviously, the traffic overall is a strategy. You need to have a lot of traffic. Yes, promoting an affiliate product on Without a blog post or without a blog, it is possible. But then again, you need to think where you're going to, you know, convert this audience, which audience are you going to attract, and the how, and what keywords, and also other strategies to make sure that you are getting at least $500 a month. Because if you're a business owner, you need to think that way. Or sometimes you need to make sure that you get $500 a week, because you're a business owner, you're not an employee. Do you know what I mean? So it's simple as that. So there are strategies to help you get where you want to be. You just need to, work it out. So make sure you put your links all over the blog posts, and again, write reviews of the product, and make sure that you are converting those clients into the sale. And again, as I say, the price, how many customers do you need, or how many sales do you need if you have like a product pays you $10? So that's not very good, is it? So you need to have products that they will pay you more. Again, I will leave the link below of the free ebook for you to download it. And have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions below. And don't forget that we are here to help you, and get the book because there is a lot of tips in there. Have a great day.